Hi everyone, today in Integrated Math 2 we're going to go over Chapter 1, Lesson 8. So here are the objectives. Make sure you write them down in your notes. Alright, so as you can see we're going to be working with the difference of squares. Remember, difference in math we're talking about subtraction, and squares is talking about when we have the little exponent of a little 2. So like a squared, for example. And as you see here, when we have like x squared minus 25, notice that we're going to have positive and a negative. And same here, when we have t squared minus 64, we have a positive and a negative. That's going to be the key to this one. Alright, so let's go ahead and try this example. So x squared minus 4 is equal to 12. And we want to solve it by factoring. First thing I want to do is to set it equal to 0. Well, it's equal to 12 right now, and it's a positive 12. Opposite positive 12 would be negative 12. So let's subtract it. Minus 12. Now it's 0. I have x squared, and if you want to do it, keep the sign, change it. So now I have negative 16, which is equal to 0. And you should see 16 here and think of something right away. Remember, we're factoring with the difference of squares. Well, x squared minus, well, this is also 4 squared. 4 times 4 is 16. It's the same thing, exactly the same thing. I've just written it differently, so that I can use the difference of squares for this one. Alright, so now let's go ahead and expand this out. So I have x plus 4 and x minus 4, which is equal to 0. Remember, you're going to have a plus and a minus. That's a key thing with this one, that you have to have the plus or minus when you're dealing with the difference of squares. Set them both equal to 0. And then x minus 4 is equal to 0. Let's get x by itself. Go ahead and box it. I'm going to box both of them real quick. Opposite of positive 4 is negative 4. So subtract to both sides. X is equal to negative 4. So that's gone. Opposite of negative 4 is positive 4. X is equal to positive 4. And here are both your solutions.